Hi class, today I'm gonna do a demonstration of our IPS-IDS system using Suricata for the final project made by group number 1. Our group includes Swapnika, Jamal, Hong, and Vikas. Before jumping into the demonstration, I'm just going to show you a quick overview of our network, how we set up the system in our lab environment. For the purpose of the demonstration today, we are going to show you our network or our system built on the BCIL lab environment. We do have another system created locally in a local machine for the documentation purposes. The difference between two networks or two environments are in this environment that I'm going to show you, everything is running on Ubuntu machines, which is a little bit different from our proposal. So we do have another system there with the attacker machine running on Kali Linux. We have the Suricata running on Security Onion, and we have victim machine running on Ubuntu. So Dr. Ghosh, so there are going to be some differences between our demonstration and documentation. So I'm just going to give you a little heads up on that. So for this network I'm going to show you, we have the is being built on top of the BCRL lab environment. We have our network here with Suricata, attack machine, and victim machines. We have two networks. One is ENS160, and we have another victim machine running on the victim network at ENS192. So victim machine has the IP address of 172.16.8.5. Attacker machine is in a different network, has the IP address of 192.168.1.10. We have the Suricata machine running in the middle as the IPS-IDS system and also as a router. It has an IP address in the attacker network ENS160 as 192.168.1.15, and also it has another IP address in the victim network, and it's also a gateway of the victim network. So everything going between in and out of the victim network is going to be captured or it's going to be seen by the Suricata machine. So it has the IP address of 172.16.8.1. To protect the BCRL lab environment, we create a firewall in between. So to make sure that anything we do in the Suricata or in our 612 final project lab environment not going to affect the production environment of the BCRL lab. Okay, jump right into the demonstration. I am going to log into our attacker machine through VNC. As you can see here, I am in my attacker machine. You can see that. I am here with the attacker machine has IP address of 192.168.1.10. I am going to open up my web browser to so I can access to the victim machine by typing in the IP address of it, and it is hosting a DVWA web application. Just going to log in with my username and password. For the demonstration purposes, I am going to set the security level to low. All right, and the first attack I am going to perform is SQL injection. For the purpose of this, I am going to use Burp Suite. Just going to start Burp Suite here, and another configuration step that I have to do is going to change my proxy server to point to my local machine. So I'm going to Preferences, Advanced, go to Settings, and I have to choose Manual Proxy Configuration and have it point to my loopback network here with port 8080. Just hit OK. Go back to here, start my Burp Suite. Alright, I'm gonna type in something here. Hit 1. I have to drop this first. Okay, so I have the GET request setting from the web browser here, and to be able to log all the traffic of the attack, I have to start Suricata. So in order to do so, I will also log into my Suricata machine via VNC. Here is my Suricata machine. So you can see this is the Suricata machine running, that is reside in the middle of two network interfaces, ENS160 and ENS192. ENS192 is a victim machine, or is a victim network. Suricata has an IP of 172.16.8.1 here. The other network interfaces, which is the attacker network, at 190, it has the IP of 192.168.1.15. So just to demonstrate that, and I am going to start Suricata, having it point to the Suricata configuration file in the @c folder, suricata.yam. I'm going to listen to the network. If you remember, that was I am going to listen to the victim network, because that's really where the attack happens. ENS192. I start it, have it running. Just wait for it. So okay, now I am going back to, I think it's running now, so I'm going back to the attacker machine here, and I am going to perform the attack. I do have a little script here to run my attacker. Oh, looks like it's gone. So I have to log into root. Here is my script, and it's the command here is, I think it's all ready to go. All I have to do is just give it a new cookie. So I have a new cookie here. Just gonna copy it from Burp Suite. Copy. I'm gonna paste it right here. Gonna run it. Maybe it's all working. Okay. See, now going back to my Suricata or Kibana and see if it actually captured the traffic. So I'm going to type in Suricata IP address at 172.16.8.1. Oh, I have to turn this off. Setting. Okay. To do it again, going to ask me for my username and password. I have it saved. So see what happened in the last 15 minutes. So I have set it as in last 15 minutes. I want to look for the SQL injection attack. So I'm going to type in the messages. If it say SQL in, just going to look for SQL first and see if I can find it. So you can see that the network system here, network time is at 12, and at 11:59 at the second 57th, we can see a bunch of SQL injection attack here. We have here a TAM information leak action. It is a scan SQL map, SQL injection scan. So you can see that it's captured the traffic. So for this SQL injection attack, we see that it has been captured and detected by our Suricata IPS IDS system. So that one is successful. Next one we are going to explore is SQL cross-site scripting. For this attack, we don't need Burp Suite, so I'm just going to close it. And I'm going to refresh this page. Go to cross-site scripting. I type in, for cross-site scripting, I have a little script here. So for the first attack, for cross-site scripting attack, I'm going to use this line of code right here, insert it to the box, and see if it's actually going to pop up an alert message. So this is a cross-site scripting exploit test. Let's go back to my Kibana. See if we are able to see that. I'm going to do it one more time just so we can have some more log to see. refresh the page. There it is. Go back here. There it is. So see, we should be able to see some of the input. I'll type in cross. And see, there you go. So you are at 1216 recently. We see there's an attack of cross-site scripting attempt. A couple of them here, down here too, you can see. So great, so that's working. Another type of cross-site scripting is cross-site scripting stored. With this, I am going to use a different line of code here. It's going to raise an alert message with the cookie information of the website. So I'm going to have group 1, paste in the line of code. There you go. So it looks like it's working. Group 1. We'll do it again. Group 1, awesome. Can't do awesome. That's okay. There you go. It works again. So awesome. Go back here. At 1217, we do also have another cross-site scripting attack, or actually more than one. So you can see that there are a couple of them here at the very different milliseconds. So it goes up to milliseconds. Wow, that's pretty interesting. So far we have successfully shown you the results of our project. So we have Suricata is up and running and able to log all the attack events. So we are going to be able to go in there and investigate into the attack attempts. We are able to successfully perform some attacks, and so far I think it's been a really good project. So it's a great experience. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the semester and the class, and good luck in the future.